Welcome home, homemade by you. Welcome home, homemade by you. Welcome home.
Thanks for watching my video. Many times we see a video product but we wonder if the device is really good? Or what is the price? Our mission is to find the updated products for you, with a realistic review from the real buyers and with the day price. So you can have the total view. Please, leave feedback if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more interesting videos.
Treat yourself to hot soup and crispy crackers with soup and cracker mugs. Thanks to a dedicated cracker compartment, the ceramic soup and cracker mugs conveniently prevent soggy crackers with minimal mess. With a 16-ounce capacity, you can enjoy a generous helping of your favorite soup or chili and up to 6 crispy crackers. Although they're called soup and cracker mugs, you can serve up all sorts of snacks with them. Vegetables and dip, coffee and cake, milk and cookies, cocoa and marshmallows, or gummy bears and syrup. Wait, gummy bears and syrup? Each soup and cracker mug set includes 2 bowls which you can safely heat in the microwave, and when you're finished eating, place them in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. So the next time someone says,
"You want some more crackers with your chili?"
you can say,
You bet I do.
gummy bear? Syrup? Oh, amazing.
I want to hang my coat up, but I didn't bring a coat hanger. And we all know my coat's going to fall on the floor after it slides off the chair.
I basically live at my office, but I don't want it to look cluttered. I want something discreet and safe to hang my pocketbook on.
I'm staying with a friend, but I don't want to bug them for hangers or a closet.
With the Hangaroo, I'm back in business.
The Hangaroo is an ingenious device. It turns the label of any clothes or the strap of any purse into an instant hanger. Never again be caught hung up on the go.
Hangaroo is a lifesaver.
Hangaroo makes traveling a little less stressful.
The best part, you can keep the Hangaroo tucked in the pocket of the garment you're wearing until you want to use it. Or you can keep it on the tag label of your garment, so it's not visible outside.
You can also keep it in your pocket or pocketbook.
Those old hair strainers are messy and slimy and hard to clean. Watch. TubShroom catches every single hair, every single time you shower. And getting rid of trapped hair is simple too. Just lift out TubShroom and wipe it off. It's easy. TubShroom features a universal design that fits in any standard bathtub drain, and it's guaranteed to catch any type of hair, long or short.
With this long hair, I used to deal with a clogged drain practically every day. But my TubShroom catches every hair every time I shower. And I love how cute it is.
No more clogs, no more hard to clean messes, and no dangerous chemicals.